Hello, hello, good morning, children. Our lesson for today is finding the area of irregular figure. Of course, with me, Ma'am Maritan. Okay, class, so let us try your skills in multiplication. So, are you ready? Alright, let's do this. Number 1, 10 times 3. What is the product? Correct, it's 30. Number 2, 11 times 8. What is the product? Absolutely correct. It's 88. Number 3, 20 times 5. Nice one. It's equal to 100. Number 4, 32 times 4. What is the answer? Correct. It's 128. Number 5, 73 times 3. What is the product? Very good. It's 219. Okay. Thank you, class. Now, finding the area of the following squares. Okay. So take note that in finding the area of a square, what is the formula again? Correct. Its area is equal to side times the side. So who would like to answer number 1 or letter A? The side is 12 centimeter. What will be the answer? Okay, so let us see if 144 is the correct answer. Because we have area is equal to side times the side, applying the formula by substitution, so we have 12 times 12. And 12 times 12 is equal to 144 square centimeter. Very good, class. So that is our answer in letter A. How about in letter B? Okay, this time the side is 9 meter. Okay, let us see if 81 is the correct answer. So we have again, the formula is side times the side. So by substituting the numbers, we have 9 times 9. And 9 times 9, we already know that it is equal to 81. So the answer is 81 square meter. Okay, nice one, class. Now let us proceed to rectangles. So we have letter A and letter B again. Okay, take note that in finding the area of a rectangle, we have the length and the width. And we just multiply the length and the width. So what will be the answer in letter A? Okay, let us see if your answer is correct. So area is equal to length times the width. 15 times 9 is equal now to 135 square centimeter. So that is correct, class. 15 times 9 is 135 square centimeter. What about letter B? We have 16 meter and 6 meter. Okay, let us see your answer if correct. So area is equal to length times the width, meaning 16 times 6. So the answer now is 96 square meter. Okay, nice one, class. Okay, class. So let us observe the following figure that I will present. How can you cut each figure into square or rectangles? So we have the first figure is cross, and the second figure is reversal of letter L, I think. So if I were to cut this rectangles, I can cut it horizontally. So we have three figures at all. Okay? So while we can also cut like this. Okay. Like vertically. Okay. So that's it. While in second figure, I can cut this one vertically. So we have rectangle and a combination of a square. Or horizontally, this is also a rectangle and a combination of a square. So that's how I will cut the two figure. So as you notice, class, this will be the figure is in the irregular shape. Why irregular? Because this is a combination of many shapes like a square and a rectangle to create another figure rather than square or a rectangle. So that is what we called irregular figure. Okay, class? Now, class, let us analyze this problem. So, Andrew and his sister Anne made a vegetable garden as shown below. So, find the area of the garden. So, this is the garden now. So, the garden is in irregular shape. Okay, it's like an L. Okay. So, we have the length below or the bases is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so we have a short width here, which is 3 meter, and another short line here with five with okay. So since, as you notice, class, the whole length, the whole width here is equal to 6 meter. Since the smaller is 3 meter, so it is in between or divided by 2. So meaning the other side here is equal also to 3 meters. Okay. So by analyzing the figure, how can I cut this one into two shapes? Okay. I, I rather cut here vertically. So that is the easy way that I can find the area of this garden. So this is a combination of two rectangles. Okay, so now in finding the area, so we have two rectangles. So the area 1 is multiplying by 3 and 6, while the area 2 is multiplying by 5 and 3. Okay, so that's it. So the formula in finding the rectangle area of a rectangle, always remember that it is length times the width. So for the area 1, so we have 3 times 6, and 3 times 6 is 18. So the unit is square meter. So equivalent of area 1 is 18 square meter. While in area 2, we have 5 times 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. Meaning, the area 2 is equal to 15 square meter. Okay. What we are going to do to find the two areas? We are going to add. So by adding 18 plus 15, the whole area of the garden is equal now to 33 square meter. So that's it. Okay, let us find the area of each irregular figure below. So we have tiny, a tiny cross here in the first figure, while in the second figure, it's like an L. So by the width is equal to 12 centimeter and the length is 24 centimeter. So we have the first figure first. So how do I cut this one? So I will cut the first figure by vertical. So I will have now three shapes. Okay. So we have three rectangles. A combination of three rectangles. So since the whole length here, the vertical is 13 centimeter. Why 13? So we have 5 here plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the whole length for the middle one is 13 centimeter. So let us go to find the area of the three rectangles. So for this time, we will follow or we will substitute the formula of the rectangle. Okay, so that is length times the width. The first area is 5 times 3. So area 1 is 5 times 3 equals to 15 square centimeter. While in area 2, the middle one is 3 times 13. And 3 times 13 is 39 square centimeter. Then the last area is 5 and 3 also. So we have another 3 centimeter from the right side that is equal to the left side. So meaning 5 times 3 is 15 square centimeter also. So we are going now to add the three areas of the rectangles so that we will find the whole area of this irregular figure, meaning 15 plus 39 plus 15, and 15 plus 15 is equal to 30, and 30 plus 39 is 69. So 69 square centimeter is the total area of this irregular figure. Okay, while in number 2 figure or the second figure, I will rather cut this one horizontally. So this will be, okay, the whole width here is equal to 12 centimeter. And the length of the smaller width is 6 centimeter. So we just divide the 12 centimeter by 2, meaning the other smaller width is equal also to 6 centimeter. So by cutting it horizontally, we will have two areas of a rectangle. So we will find the area by applying the formula as length times the width. Okay, for the first area, we have 24 times 6. And 24 times 6 is equal to 144 square centimeter. In area 2, 12 times 6. And 12 times 6 is equal to 72 square centimeter. So to be able to find the area of this irregular figure, we will combine by adding. So area now is 144 plus 72 is equal to 216 square centimeter. So that is the area of that irregular figure. Did you get it, class? Okay, very good. Okay, now, to find the area of an irregular shape that is made up of squares and rectangle, number one rule is to divide or to cut the figure into square and rectangles. So, this is how you uh, construct a square and a rectangle using that irregular figure. For number two, find the area of each square and rectangle made. So just if you cut horizontally or vertically, you just create a rectangle or square. So just find the area of each figure. Okay? So number three is to add the area of the square or a rectangle made to find the area of the irregular figure. And number four, express the area in square meter or square centimeter. So just don't forget to write the unit because this unit is important to identify the length of that area or the square meter or square centimeter of that area of a regular figure. Okay, so find the area of this figure. Let us try this one. So this is like a stair going down. Okay, so the stair going down. So we have 15 by 15. So the length and the two sides are equal to each other. So if we are going to divide it, so to be able to find each measure of this ladder is we can also divide it by 3 because it's 3 step down. Okay, so 15 divided by 3, so we have now 5 centimeter in each. So I will going to cut this ladder in vertical. So we have three different shapes. So combination of two rectangle and a square. Okay. So we have 5 centimeter in each level. Okay, the first area will be applied as length times the width. Okay, so area 1 is 5 times 15 is equal to 75 square centimeter. While in area 2, we have 5 times 10. Why 10? Because we have 2 5 here. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have area 2 as 5 times 10 equals to 50 square centimeter. While in area 3, so we have now a square. So it is side times the side. So side is equal to 5 times 5. So area 3 is equal to 25. So to be able to find the whole area here, we're just going to add the three areas. Meaning 75 plus 50 plus 25 is now equal to 150 square centimeters. So that is the whole area of that ladder going down. Okay? Okay, so let us have the last figure. Okay, so as you can see, we have the whole width here. The whole length is equal to 32 meter, and the whole width is 14 meter, and the smaller width here is equal to 6. So meaning we have 8 centimeter in each side, and I will going to cut it horizontally. Okay, so that I will get the area of only 3 shape. So it's a combination of a rectangle and two squares. Okay. Meaning, area of a rectangle is length times the width, and area is 6 times 32. The answer is 192 square meter. Okay. While in the second area, we have side times side, meaning 8 times 8 is equal to 64 square rather meter. 64 square meter. And the third one is also a square, so S times S, or side times side, is 8 times 8. So it is also equal to 64 square meter. So by adding the three areas rather, so we will have 192 plus 64 plus 64 is equal now to 320 square meter. So that is the whole area of this irregular figure. Now, for your assignment, I will just need, okay, I just cut it already, your solution on how you will get the area of this irregular figure. Okay? Just turn in your answer for your asynchronous class. Okay? For that, thank you very much for listening. Hope you understand our lesson for today. Thank you.